Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit using Python such as face recognition, then flower classification, then dog and image recognition, then image detection using web app and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Today's video is all about age and gender verification using Streamlit. So let us go through the program first. This program I have done it using Python, but at the command prompt. This video I am doing it using UI. Some part of the video will be modified and will be shown in our upcoming videos. So this video detect gender and age from an image. Now I will run the program. Yes, I will take the image. First of all, I will take the female image. Yes, famous heroine of Bollywood, Madhuri. Age according to the face, gender it is detecting female, and age is, that's all. Now I will take the age of, yes, age has been detected, male. Yes, gender is also detected, and so I successfully completed with gender and age detection using Streamlit. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Watch more videos on Streamlit using Python in my upcoming videos.